Most people get this wrong when their Rakuten cashback doesn't show up. They assume the money is gone or the app is broken, and they give up too early. Here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, your cashback is not missing. It is just delayed, untracked, or sitting in pending status because of small setup mistakes. Quick promise for you. In this video, you will learn exactly why Rakuten cashback is not showing in 2026, how tracking actually works, how to fix missing cashback step by step, and how users like Alex or John avoid losing rewards in the future. Let's start with the most common reason: tracking failure. Rakuten works by using cookies or browser tracking to confirm your purchase. If you open other tabs, use coupon extensions, or leave the Rakuten page before checkout, the tracking can break. That means your purchase is made, but Rakuten never gets the signal. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users think cashback should appear instantly, but Rakuten usually shows rewards as pending first. This happens after the retailer confirms your purchase. That confirmation can take hours, days, or even weeks, depending on the store. Let's go deeper. Imagine Jake buys headphones online after clicking through Rakuten. If he forgets to activate the browser extension, or if another discount plugin overrides the tracking, Rakuten may not log the purchase. So even though Jake paid money, the system thinks no referral happened. But here's the problem most people miss. Ad blockers and private browsing can also stop cashback from tracking. If you are using incognito mode or strict privacy settings, Rakuten may fail to record your session completely. Now, let's fix it step by step. First, check your Rakuten account activity tab. Look for pending transactions. If it is there, your cashback is working and just waiting for confirmation. If it is missing completely, move to the next step. Second, submit a missing cashback request. Rakuten allows you to manually report purchases. You will need your order confirmation email and purchase details. This is the fastest way to recover lost tracking. Third, make sure browser extensions are updated. In 2026, outdated extensions are one of the biggest reasons tracking fails. Always enable the Rakuten extension before visiting any store, not after. Now, here's a smart habit. Always start your shopping journey from Rakuten, not from the store website. That single step prevents most tracking errors. Alex, for example, opens Rakuten first, activates cashback, then shops normally. This keeps his purchases properly linked every time. Also, check exclusions. Some items like gift cards or special promotions may not qualify for cashback. If your purchase falls under excluded categories, it will never appear, even if tracking worked correctly. So let's summarize everything. Missing Rakuten cashback is usually caused by tracking breaks, delays in store confirmation, or browser issues. Most cases are fixable through pending checks or manual claims. And the best prevention is activating Rakuten before every purchase. If you understand this system, you will stop losing cashback without realizing it. If this helped, like the video, comment your issue and subscribe for more clear breakdowns like this.